between me and you. I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else.
I hope we're all doing well. Welcome to a KW diary. So guys, I'm always going to formally introduce this series just for people that are just coming on my channel. I am basically doing weekend vlogs, guys, to connect with potential new audience. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, because this weekend I'm really looking forward to my plans. So I'm going to Woburn Safari in Bedford.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make.
I wanted to do safari, but I've always wanted to do it somewhere like in South Africa, etc. But we're going to make do with Bedford for now until I get to South Africa. So I'm going to the safari drive-through zoo, and I think it's gonna be really fun seeing the animals and stuff like that. I'm really into stuff like that, so I'm looking forward to that. And also another thing that will be happening in this vlog is I've had this issue for the past couple of weeks. I've had this issue with my light switch. It's not been working. I've had no light in my room. I have to use my ring light for light. So the light switch kit off Amazon, and I'm going to attempt to change it myself. Hopefully I do it and I don't harm myself and someone gets to see this video. But no, I think I got this. I normally would get like a handyman to do it for me, but he's not available right now, and I can't live without a light for as long as I've lived without. It's just not working out for me anymore. So guys, with that being said, let's get into my day. Malachi, didn't I not tell you to put that back? Say hello, Haley.
Hi. What about me? I'm down here. Hi.
Hi. Come on.
Down.
Let's go make breakfast.
Yay, breakfast.
Malachi, didn't I tell you to put that back? What did you do to the carpet?
Nothing. I didn't.
What is that?
What is this? I didn't do that. Look at me.
Okay. Breakfast?
Eggs and bread.
They can't see you.
I want pizzas and eggs.
You're not having pizza for breakfast, Malachi.
I want honey and bread.
You want honey and bread?
That's
Malachi, be careful. Go put the stick back.
why I'm here. I'm the leader. I know.
Malachi, didn't I tell you to put that stick back?
I can do this. What? Ha!
They don't listen, you know.
Ta-da!
Give it to me. Give it to me.
So, having a really fun day today.
There you go. Did you guys go to the park yesterday?
No.
Oh, you went to it. We can set this place on fire. Dance and leave. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna make the kids breakfast before I head out.
Hello, my name is Malachi. I'm here. I'm the news.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay, guys, so I'm officially ready. This is the fit. Let me give you a quick look. This is the fit. With some sandals, nothing special, just very casual. I am nothing without lashes, like nothing, but what can I do? We move. I'm just gonna have to go bow-eyed. It is what it is. But let's go. So guys, we have made it to the zoo. We have made it.
Nah. No, like. Sure.
So guys, we're finally going in. There seems to be a few cars.
Yeah.
There's a few cars already in there. So guys, we will not be able to get food. Part of the deal was we get food, but we were late, so but that's fine. We'll grab something to eat after the fact.
Yeah, I'll do that.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away on trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were. Don't really want to, I just wanna get away and stay right next to you. I wanna kiss you.
Oh, he's just chilling now. He's just not bothered about anything.
You good?
Yeah.
I
shouldn't be out.
That's what I was thinking.
What are you on?
Is that her?
Oh, she's freaky dicky.
And Ryan's full on chilling. He's just not bothered with no one.
Is that that kid?
Oh, he's coming. She's coming.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away on trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were. Don't really want to, I just wanna get away and stay right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
There.
Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you
So guys, I am back home now. I am kind of tired. I was sleeping on my way back. I enjoyed the safari, but I felt like it was very short. I felt like I saw obviously a good amount of animals, but I feel like obviously if I went to like London Zoo, I would have seen more. But I guess you wouldn't have had the same up close personal feel, and yeah, I guess that's what you get at the safari, but obviously you don't see as much animals as you would. But seeing the lions had to be the highlight of it all. So yeah, guys, it was pretty a decent day. I just literally just got back in. As you can see, I'm only using my ring light for light because, like I said, my switch does not work. But I've got some good news. My switch that I bought. So my switch that I bought off Amazon has arrived. I have a mini Amazon haul right now. The light switch has arrived. So I just need to connect this to the wires. It sounds easier. I'm making it sound easier than it probably will be, but I'm sure I can do this. No, it's fine. This is the actual light switch. It's like a soft touch, so it's not the same switch. And yeah, just connect these and basically put on the wall. So we'll do that tomorrow. It's too late and it's too dark. Plus I'll need to turn off all the electric to do that, all the electric upstairs anyway, to do that. So that is the plan for tomorrow. I bought these shoes off Amazon, which is meant to be my Mother's Day gift. So hopefully she likes them. All these sandals, which I like the colors, and I think my mum will like them as well. So I bought these off Amazon, good price as well. Oh, I finally got a car stand so we can vlog in the car. I finally got a car stand, so we're gonna throw it up with my playlist in the car. You know when you order so much shit that you don't remember what you've ordered? I don't know what's in this box. Look at it, it's so cute. So my toilet is like mustard yellow, white and grey. So on there's like a windowsill area, and I want to put something there. I currently have a sign, but I feel like it's a bit bare, so I want to put something next to it. So I bought this vase of Amazon, and I think it's so cute. It's so cute, right, guys? Yeah, that's my mini Amazon. Hey guys, it's a couple of days later since the last clip. I was meant to change my light switch on that Sunday, but I felt like my house was too active. I had my little cousins over. I had my grandparents over. It was just too much people here. Now I'm home alone. It's perfect time to do it. So this is a switch, and you see, when I press it, nothing happens. So we're gonna remove it. I'm changing it to this one, which I think is so pretty, and it matches my room kind of better. So yeah, but let me get my screws. Let me get power in the house. So there isn't any power anywhere, and I'm checking my laptop right now, which is down here, making sure there's no power. It's not being charged. So yeah, there's no power in the house. So the first thing we do is unscrew this. Well, I've taken the screws out of the old switch, and I can automatically see why my light switch wasn't working in the first place, because the blue connector should be connected and it wasn't connected. So therefore, that's the reason why when I switched the lights, I wouldn't get any light. So I see my problem. Now that we've got this off, well, we've unscrewed it, we need to now loosen it from the back of the screw. Again, like I said, it's mad important that you make sure that there is no power in your house, because if there's power in your house, child, if there's power in your house, the configuration behind the light switch, we need to unscrew it, like to get it loose, like that one. So that is typically in here. Switch off. Amazing. Now we take our current switch. And we need to put those in here. We need to make sure that the brown one goes in here. So around here you've got L1, N2, L2. We need to make sure they go in the right one. Obviously, if you're doing this on your own and you don't have great memory, I suggest you take a picture of it once you've taken this off. Once you open this, you take it off, and before you take it off, you take a picture of the back of it so you remember. But I remember quite well how to do this, what one goes in what one. So we're just gonna add it in, and you know. Okay guys, so now I've got the thing on the actual light switch holder thing on. Light switch holder thing, I am not professional, but now I've got this on the wall. I now need to screw it in place so it doesn't move. So we're gonna screw it in place. So guys, I haven't actually screwed it on yet, but what I've done is I've stuck the main light switch area thing back on, just to make sure I've done it properly, because I don't want to screw it up and then you know, it's not done right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch the power back on my house just to double check that it is. And he said they shall be light, baby. There you go, guys. So now, guys, I'm going to go back downstairs. This is a workout. Switch the main, turn the main switch off again, and then securely screw it on, and then that is simply the steps. But there you go, guys. It's all on the walls, all installed.